Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Introduction to 3-Dimensional Geometry Exercise 12.3. Question number 3. Let's see the question. Find the ratio in which YZ plane divides the line segment formed by the joining the points -2, 4, 7 and 3, -5, 8. Already I have drawn the diagram here. The line is, let me take the line to be A and B, and a point P is there. They are asked us to find the ratio of the point P divided in the line segment A and B. Here, if we don't know any ratio, just take that to be K is to 1. We need to find, we know that the point P lies on YZ plane. Already we have learnt in first exercise that in YZ plane, X will be equal to 0. So it's a very easy sum. Take only the x-axis coefficient and x coordinates, taking k is to 1 as the ratio. If it is equal to 0, we can easily find the value of k because there is only one variable is missing. If you take y, there will be two variables missing. Even k we don't know and y we don't know, so it will be quite difficult for you to solve it. For any own sum also, take the plane which is, take the coordinate which is equal to 0. Here we know that x is equal to 0. So take only the x coordinate and solve it. Now always write the formula. We are going to take ratio formula. So formula will be mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Same way my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. The third one is mz2 plus nz1 by m plus n. So I have written the formula, but I am going to take only the x-axis because I know that x-axis is equal to 0, so that it's easy for me to find the variable. So taking the x-axis, this is m, this is n, and only this I am going to take. So k into 3 minus of minus will become, minus into plus will become minus, so minus 2. So k into 3 minus 2 by k plus 1 is equal to, we know that this is equal to 0 because here it is equal to p is nothing but 0 comma y comma z. I am taking only the x coordinate, so this is equal to 0. Taking k plus 1 to this side, it becomes 0 because 0 into k plus 1 will become 0. So 3k minus 2 is equal to 0. 3k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 by 3. We know that the ratio is k is to 1. So k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 3. So the ratio of the sum is 2 is to 3. That's all with the sum. Thank you.